Hello students, hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty God. In my previous video, I started lesson explanation part of 13, sending and receiving messages. Name of the lesson is sending and receiving messages. Today, I am going to explain you about advertisement. As I mentioned in my previous video, in my next video, I am going to explain you about advertisements. So be ready to understand. Your duty is to listen, then only you can understand. If not, no way, no chance to understand the lesson. Advertisements are another important feature of mass communication. Advertisements are another important feature of mass communication. Every firm wants to boost the sale of its products. Every company wants to boost the sale of products, right? To increase the sale of products. So it advertises them through newspapers, magazines, radio, television, etc. Who can read this? The person who is educated, they can understand, right? They can read newspapers, they can read magazines, right? We can see special pages on advertisements in newspapers and magazines. Yes, once you get a newspaper, then you can see some sort of pamphlets will be there. It's an advertisement pamphlets, right? But this advertisement reach only the educated people. But these advertisements reach only the educated people. The person who is educated, they can understand. So the advertisers are turning to radio and television. Now they are turning this advertisement to radio as well as television for advertisements. They reach a large number of people, right? If they watch television, then they can understand. Television advertisements are more powerful than those of radio. Nowadays, everyone is having television at home. So, advertisements are more powerful. If they give ads on all on TV, then that is powerful than radio. They have a direct influence on people's mind. They have a direct influence on people's mind. What it means? Example of a car. If someone wants to purchase a car, different type of companies are there. They show advertisement in television. They watch. The person who wants to purchase a new car, he go through the features of it, right? So with the help of television, the person is going to know about different type of companies, what are the qualities in the manufacturing of car and all. Then he will select a perfect car for him, right? They have a direct influence on people's mind. Sometimes we watch advertisement of same item product by various company. Example of soap. Different type of companies are selling soap. So which is the most powerful? After using it, we can say, right? In that case, it can be hard to decide which of them is most suitable and necessary for us. This is also a correct what to. Therefore, we should be cautious while making a choice, whatever may be. You want to purchase a car or a product like soap and all, anything. But you should be cautious. You should know the manufacturing as well as some other qualities of that thing. We should not allow ourselves to be carried away by advertisements. Got it? We should not see the advertisement and we should not select what are the important things mentioned or what are the important things you need, you should follow, right? In short, means of communication are linked between people all over the world. Besides sending and receiving messages, they entertain us and warn us to take timely action to protect ourselves from storms, floods, and other such calamities. Yes, in television we get lot of news also. At the time of storm, at the time of some floods and all, they give no need to come out, don't be safe at home. In this way, we get lot of information from the television, floods and other such calamities, right? So it is our duty not to damage communication system in any way. We should not damage any communication system. With this, I finish my explanation part of this lesson. Your duty, whatever words I underline here, work on that. Whenever you start writing, read and write. Thank you. Have a nice day.